Hey folks, Jimmy Weller here with Weller's Utility Trailers. You know that we got a lot of trailers. I want to talk to you real quick about this trailer. This is a very, very unique trailer. First off, it's an aluminum trailer. That means it's going to be about 1,000 pounds lighter than a steel trailer. The lighter the trailer, the better it is on your vehicle. Your vehicle brakes, your vehicle transmission, also your gas mileage will all be affected by a lighter trailer. Also, with it being aluminum, it's never going to rust, so you can leave it outside. You don't have to worry about checking it every now and then, touching up those small rust spots. It's maintenance free. It does have a high performance wood inside, similar to treated wood. So if your vehicle's wet when you pull it in, you don't got to worry about the wood rotting away. That's on the walls and the floor. The roof is an aluminum roof, and it is a one-piece roof. That is a great benefit because there's no seams, which means there's no chance of a leak. Also, 16-inch cross members all the way around the roof, the walls, and the floor. It's got the side door. As you can see, it's got this door right here. This is an escape door. So when you pull your car in, you don't have to worry about your door hitting the fender well. As you can see, the fender well is removable right here. It clips in place, no tools required, no wrenches, no ratchets. You just unclip it and you remove it. You lift the door and then you can open your door. It's so much easier getting out of your vehicle that way. You don't have to worry about winching your car in or your door hitting the fender well and potentially scratching it. This one here is also 5,000-pound axle trailer. That means it's a 10,000-pound trailer. It can hold more weight. 7,000-pound trailers normally can hold a car, and that's about it. This, you can put tools in it, you can put spare tires in it. Lots of weight can be put in this trailer. Obviously, it has the ramp door so you can drive in. Has easy lube wheel bearings also, so that when it comes time to grease your bearings, you don't have to pull them apart. You just stick a grease gun on them. LED lights all the way around, and the sides are screwless. So if you ever go to letter it with your race car number, you don't have to worry about all those screw heads and then the lettering going over top of it. Very high quality trailer here at Weller's Utility Trailers. We're here Tuesday through Saturday. You can check out Wellers.com 24/7. We have rent to own, we have financing, and we want to sell you a trailer. Thanks for watching. Have a fine day.